Rightio, so today is the day. It is a beautiful winter day. So you'll probably hear mowers and that in the background. You're just gonna have to deal with it. But today,
we're putting the band back together.
Forget it. No way. We're on a mission from God.
He's going in here. So, just about to pull it off the stand, put it back on the ground, put the flex plate on, and yeah, then fucking jacked up the gearbox. So then I can pull that stand out and then engine in. So that'll be us for a few hours today. So yeah, that's about as much as I can think of that I need to do to this at the moment. But yeah, so instead of listening to old mate mow his fucking lawns, might set yous up and we'll do a bit of a time lapse doing that, and then before we put it in, and then we'll do all that shit. Let's do it. Let's put the band back together. Right, so they're done. In the video, yes, I rattle gunned them, but I did talk them. Yeah, and also, I forgot to update you. I got that fucking balancer bolt to go in. So, there was that much fucking thread in there. Literally just kept hitting it with tap. The first few threads were a bit shit house, but I got a new bolt. And then yeah, just ended up putting it in a couple of times, and then it grabbed and I was like, oh, fuck! Rammed it on. So I'm very happy about that. I can spin the motor over with it. It's tight, and yeah. So I'm pretty fucking chuffed about that. So now, that, there. Let's do it. Right, got the fucker in there. Had to loosen off my engine mounts. One side was easy, which was the driver's side, and that's never fucking easy. The passenger side this time was a fucking dog. So that's in now. Because I've loosened all the mounts off, what I'll do is mount it to the gearbox, and once it's all done up, at the K-frame, bell-hours and all that, I will jack the engine back up and make sure it's straight, and then do up the rubbers. So yeah, but I think I've earned a can, so I'm going to have one. Going to see what all these are about. Heard nothing but good things, but we'll see how we go. That's going to be dangerous. They're dangerous. They're going to be dangerous as fuck. Holy hell. They're amazing. Rightio, so it has been a couple of hours, I reckon. Yeah, literally just been tinkering along. Oh, shut the fuck up. Engine mounts are now in. What else did we do? Converter bolts are done. Gearbox married up. Literally just been tinkering around, doing a few wires. Plugged in the water pump. Ran the alternator wire to where it needs to go. That there is my oil temp, which I will plumb in later on. But yeah, literally, I just got bangers going and I'm just cruising along. Shut the fuck up! Fucking hell, mate. But yeah, just cruising. Literally, these motherfuckers are really starting to piss me off, eh? Right, so I'm gonna hook up now the fuel return and fuel feed because I'm gonna run it in the guts of the valley, and pretty much that's gonna be about it, I think. Like, you know, might do a few other things, but there's not really a lot I can do until the loom's back. So yeah, once that's back, then it's full noise with everything else. But yeah, cable's now done. So we can bang gears, but literally just had bangers going, tinkering along, doing my thing. So we're getting there slowly, but yeah, I figured the more I do today, the less I got to do later on. So you know, we're running out of time slowly but surely. So I'll just keep tinkering until I run out of stuff to do, and yeah, we'll get there. We'll get there. Right. Well, we've had a day on this, and I feel fucked. Yeah, so, tell you what, these birds are not my fucking friend today. Some cunt needs to shoot that fucking chook. But, yeah, we got there in the end. So, engine's all back in. Pipes were in anyway, because that side's a bit of a pain in the ass to put pipes in when the engine's in. Reran a fuel line, the return, so then that should make that pretty well good. And yeah, just tinkered along, you know, for the rest of the afternoon. Yeah, shifter cable's done. Thank fuck for that. Thanks for Steve to come make sure that that thing was mint. But yeah, now it's just a matter of getting a loom and making sure all my neutral safety is hooked up right. And then, yeah, just keep tinkering along with it. Yeah, I've had a fair old crack today, so I'm pretty happy about it. But yeah, pretty much just going to keep tinkering along with it over time until we make it a thrash nats. You know, we're talking about this afternoon, probably got about maybe 6-7-ish weeks, something like that. So, yeah. Fingers crossed everything goes very smoothly with it and we will be laughing. I've ordered another fitting, which obviously today being a Saturday, you know, it's hard to get shit on a Saturday, so I've ordered a 45°-8 for me return line. When that rolls up, the return lines are sorted, and yeah, I'm actually really fucking keen to get shit done. So yeah. And then once all the outside's done, it's a matter of doing the inside, putting the dash back together, and yeah, whatever else comes. But we've got 6-7-ish weeks to get this thing sorted, and I'm hoping it's enough time. I'm hoping. So yeah, anyway, that's me done for the day. I'm going to go inside, I'm going to have a shower, and yeah, that's pretty well it. But I'll give you the hot tip. These hard rateds are absolutely unreal. So yeah, I'm gonna finish this one in the shower and cook some dinner. And watch the footy, I reckon. So hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, pretty much putting the old girl back together, putting the band back together, you know. As the Blues Brothers would say, we're putting the band back together. So hopefully this thing's got a couple more sets to belt on that it can belt off this fucking car. And yeah, we'll be laughing at thrashing it. So hope you enjoyed it. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and we will see you in the next one. Peace.